Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Rahma Khairunnisa from the Elementary School Teacher Education Study Program. Here I will present the products that I will offer to people. Welcome to Women's Needs Jewelry Fashion. Introduction. Jewelry is loved by every woman to beautify her appearance. For this reason, Rahma's Jewelry provides various kinds of jewelry to be introduced to women. Okay, next, about us, Rahma's Jewelry is a business group that focuses on accessories or jewelry for women's needs so that they look more beautiful. About product, Rahma's Jewelry provides jewelry in the form of necklaces, rings, and earrings with a variety of attractive and aesthetic models to be used as accessories to make the look even more stunning. These jewelry use materials that are safe and anti-rust, so that user will not have allergies such as itching on the jewelry they wear. Yes, these are some photos of our products, which consist of necklaces, rings, and earrings. We make a variety of simple and elegant models for women who want to beautify their appearance and make them more confident. Okay, next, where to find us? You can contact us via email rahmasjewelry@gmail.com, through the website www.jewelry.com, or you can contact us by telephone 089663972351, and can also come directly to our company at Road Kadupugur, number 43, Sukabumi District. And the last is the profile of the owner of the company, namely myself. My name is Rahma Khairunnisa. I am a student at Nusa Putra University, majoring in elementary school teacher education. I am here as the owner of a jewelry business group specifically designed for women's appearance. Maybe that's all I can convey through this presentation. Thank you for your attention. Sorry if there are mistakes. Don't forget to use our products. Thank you.